Good afternoon, everybody from sunny Florida. We're in the Sunshine State, and it feels good to get away from the cold in Canada. It's a crazy cold up there right now. So we've partnered up with Vacasa to bring to you and show you what a vacation home looks like. And this is a great concept because instead of staying at a hotel or a place where you might not have enough room or certain commodities that you will get at home, Vacasa basically emphasizes the home feeling that you get when you're at home, but basically while you're on vacation. So this is why we did it with Vacasa, and we're very excited. This is our home right here, and look, I have someone waiting for me, so let's go check it out. Hey.
Are you ready for your tour?
I am, and here's the fam. Hey guys. All right, so let's get in.
Our fourth destination is the playroom. You all know we play it.
You have a pool table, a fussball table, an area for young kids, and you have a poker table for the adults when the kids go to bed. So let's go see the living room.
All right.
Destination, the living room.
All right, thank you, Ava.
So this house can fit, I think, like 12 people or something. We'll put it down in notes later. You have a big table to have a holiday celebration if you're getting away for the holidays. So this is the room we're staying in. We decided to stay downstairs. There's 2 rooms upstairs. We decided to stay downstairs because the kids are only 2 and going up and downstairs is a little challenging, especially at night. So this is our master bedroom. Has all our luggage and stuff in it, so excuse the boxes. Big closet, all our clothes are in there. Basic toilet and master shower. We're gonna go look at Ava's room now. You can see how spacious this house actually is. Like, our room is across on the other side of the house, and this is another side. So I think this is the perfect room for kids because there's 2 single beds. Let's go to the baby's room.
That's right. We also have a little TV in here, so you are definitely covered on the TV front.
And each room has a bathroom, so you never have to share a bathroom. So if you're not family members, you're just staying with friends, you don't have to encroach on their space at all. Okay, let's see where the babies are staying. So like I said, we're staying on the bottom floor because we didn't want Ella and Rose going up to the 2nd floor where they possibly could fall. Actually, this is one of my favorite rooms here because it looks on to the nice grass and the scenery outside. Basically the same size as our room, so definitely enough room for 2-year-old twins. Okay, let's go up.
Following you.
All of the Casa properties are non-smoking.
That's right, so you can see it right there.
So these are truly the master bedrooms, I think. But like every room is kind of like the same size. You got a nice view for up other trees from here.
Yeah, you got a nice view of the tree. You have your closet, and you have your bathroom here.
And there's one more room. It actually has a crib in this room.
Yeah, that's right.
So like there's unlimited space to stay in this property.
That's right.
I mean, it's really economical because if you stay in a hotel, especially around Disney, you're paying at least $200 a night.
Yeah.
I think this property is about $186 a night right now. And you could have like, honestly, 3 families stay in here.
So here is the bathroom.
Another attached bathroom again.
It's 5 bathrooms, that's crazy. And we're just going back down. This is the living room. We have a couch. We have some chairs. Nice big spacious living room. We have a nice big screen TV.
Next destination, the kitchen. Okay, of course, every house has a fridge.
So we did some groceries before coming in here, so we got a couple of things. This is one of the benefits of going through Vacasa, which is that you can have, you know, this kind of like spacious kitchen area so that you can basically have a home style kind of living quarters, living spaces, basically a very big kitchen amongst others, so that you can do your cooking if you want, and you can put all your groceries in a big normal size fridge, which is really awesome, especially for us because we are a family of 5. So we need food all the time, we need drinks all the time. And this is kind of like the dining room area right over here, a nice big spacious. Actually, we had another eating table over there, right? But this is the actual dining room that, you know, that you would use most often. And check this out. Now,
We're actually surprised with a Vacasa box.
see what,
Should we open it?
let's see what's inside. Oh yeah, let's check it out. There you go, girls. Okay, so this is what we have. We have that. All right, put it to the side. We got Sterling coffee roasters. That is awesome. This is gonna come in handy because we have the big kitchen. We can make stuff in here. Got a s'mores kit? That is awesome. Whoa. Oh yes. Check this out. So we got a Stoller Family Estate Pinot Noir. Thank you, Vacasa. I know, right? All right, guys. So we have a very nice back deck here. Well, it's not a deck, but it's just a very nice back area. So as we can see, the pool area is fenced in. And Ava just removed part of the fence. And here is the pool. We have a little jacuzzi over there as well. For tanning chairs, I guess, over there. And you have a nice big space here. So this is great if you want to eat out, which of course you should do because you also have this kind of like mosquito nest that covers this area. So you should get less bugs as a result. I wouldn't mind living here. Way bigger than my house. Way more comfortable. 5 bathrooms is crazy. 5 rooms is pretty crazy. We don't even use half the house. So what do you think about this house? You like it? So that does it for now, guys. We hope that we were able to show you a little bit of what a vacation home looks like with Vacasa. We think that it's a great destination house if you're looking for something that's a little more like home living, but not at home away. We think that it's really awesome. We really enjoy having this kind of big space. We love this.